Part 1.
This?
And these. Jennifer, look at this apple.
It is very red. Let's buy it.
And look at these bananas here. Oh,
Oh, good.
they look good.
Can you get a cart for these fruits?
Okay, this cart will help you.
We use this or these when we touch things. This apple. This plus a singular noun. These bananas. These plus plural nouns. This card. These fruits.
I'll take this mango.
Okay, put it in this basket.
Look at these. These pineapples are perfect for our luau parties.
Yes, they are.
Michelle, look at this notebook. It is very pretty. I like it. And look at these pens.
Can I help you?
Yes, how much is this notebook?
It's $7.50.
And how much are these pens?
They're 99 cents. Part 2.
That, those.
Wow, they are almost out of milk.
How about that green box?
No, I prefer that blue box. The brand is better. Let's buy some boxes of cereal.
Do you like those brands?
Yes, those brands are all good.
We use that or those when we point to things.
That milk. That plus a singular noun. Those boxes of cereal. Those plus plural nouns.
Do you like that watermelon?
Yes, let's take it.
What do you think about those cherries?
No, those cherries cost $30. They are very expensive. Let's go to another supermarket.
Which supermarket?
I don't remember the name. That supermarket on the corner.
I went there yesterday, but they didn't have any cherries.
What about those two supermarkets on Maplewood Avenue?
Good idea. They probably have cherries there.
Part 3.
Which one? Which ones?
Look at those SpongeBob backpacks. Oh, we can buy one of those for my little cousin.
Which one do you prefer?
That one.
Which one?
The one with the big smile.
I like that backpack.
Which one?
Which one equals which backpack?
You can use one to substitute a singular noun.
How much is this sweater?
It's $10.
And how much is that sweater?
Which one?
The one on the door.
It's $25.
How much are these shoes?
Those are $50.
How much are those shoes?
Which ones?
The blue ones.
They are $29.99.
You can use ones to substitute plural nouns.
I love those pants.
Which ones?
These ones. How much are they?
They are $50.
Use this or these when you touch the products. This for singular, these for plural. Use that and those when the products are far. That for singular, those for plural. Not sure what product the customer wants. Ask the question, which one for a singular product and which one's for plural product.